Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will introduce to everyone a tool to help people post automatically on Twitter. First, you will own multiple Twitter accounts. The more accounts you have, the more viral your auto posts will be. Each account is like your employee. 1000 accounts equal 1000 employees working for you. To post, first we need to create the content. You can post with images or just text just like you do manually, but now the software will do it for you at scale. Step 1. To make your first post, go to Viral Marketing and select Post Tweet. Here you can set additional parameters as needed. Step 2. Select your post content in Select Post section, which you have already prepared in Content Management. Step 3. You can add hashtags or tag specific users by inserting their account link. This helps your post coverall. Sub-accounts act like satellite as supporting your main account, spreading your brand everywhere. Step 4. Choose your account list to post automatically, then click load. If you have 1000 accounts, it will post 1000 tweets. If fewer, then fewer posts. Finally, click start and the software will control multiple accounts at once to post automatically on Twitter. As you can see, doing it manually takes a lot of time. But now you can easily build your accounts daily with this automation software. After posting your content or video across accounts, the software will automatically stop for you. Contact me now to make your marketing work much easier starting today.